Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore an innovative modern linear house design, ideal for a compact 10 by 16 meter lot. This home plan includes 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, offering a perfect balance between functionality and style. Entering the house, we find a foyer that welcomes us to an open and bright space. To the right, there is a living room, a cozy place to relax and enjoy family moments. This space is designed with large windows that allows natural light to enter, creating a warm and pleasant atmosphere. Adjacent to the living room, we find a dining room, which is separated from the kitchen to maintain privacy during meals. This linear design not only optimizes space, but also facilitates circulation between the common areas. The kitchen, located next door, is equipped with modern appliances and ample storage spaces. Its functional layout allows for easy food preparation, making it the heart of the house. At the bottom of the plan, there are 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom features an ensuite bathrooms, providing comfort and privacy. The other 2 bedrooms are ideal for children or as workspaces, and share a second bathroom that is conveniently located in the hallway. This linear house design not only maximizes the use of space, but also fits the needs of a modern family. With its contemporary aesthetics and smart layout, it is a perfect choice for those looking for a functional home on a compact lot. hope this modern house plan tour has been inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on design and architecture. See you next time.